Hello everyone and welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to upload Excel files in ChatGPT. It's extremely easy. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we go there, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. First of all, we cannot upload Excel files in ChatGPT. We need to save them as CSV files, which means here I have an example file. We're going to open it. This is an Excel workbook. We need to click on File. We need to save. We need to click here on Browse, and we are going to select CSV UTF-8, delimited file, and that's how we are going to upload the file in ChatGPT. So now that we basically save this file in this format, the second thing you need to do is you need to remember the column names, right? So here the first column is called month, revenue, and sales. And ideally you need to provide a clean document, meaning a document that doesn't have empty rows, that doesn't have empty columns, that doesn't have weird characters, a clean and clear CSV file. So now that we have that, we are going to close it. We are going to go back to ChatGPT, and here we're going to click the plus symbol. We're going to say, let's add photos and files. We are going to go to downloads, and we are going to select the CSV file, and we are going to open. And now that we have this data, you can start prompting. For example, you can say here to the system, give me the sum of revenue, let's say, right? And then the system will actually scan the file. It will detect the revenue here. It will analyze, and it will say, here is the revenue. Now, this file also includes a couple of dates. So after we actually are done with this simple prompt, let's ask the system to create a chart for us. So we can say, for example, here, give me a chart including, let's say, revenue and sales. Revenue should be column, and then sales should be a line. Give me a chart including revenue and sales performance by month. So actually, let's do a half decent job here of creating the prompt, performance by month, and we're going to press enter. The system now will pick this data, and the system will create even visualizations for you. So with this logic, you can actually analyze any type of file, and you can actually keep prompting the tool to do things that are even more complex than what I'm doing here. Now here, this chart is revenue and sales, but then we can actually say here to the system, add, or maybe let's say measure sales on the right axis. So the line will be actually visible here. And then you can keep prompting, you can change the look and feel, you can ask the system to do anything you like with your CSV/Excel data. Now, the important thing to note is not the prompting. This is up to you actually to decide. The important thing to note and to remember is that you need to upload CSV, delimited files that are clean, clear, and ready for the system to process. If you try to upload different file type, or if you try to upload a file that is not clean and clear and has a lot of inefficiencies, then you are going to face issues when it comes to getting whatever you want out of your prompts. That's it. That's how easy it is to upload Excel files in ChatGPT and to analyze them using AI. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day in any time zone. Thank you, everyone.